Places like Sun Valley are a rare find, welcoming, authentic, memorable. We're a place off the beaten path, a unique mountain town embracing the outdoor lifestyle with a vibrant and inviting community. Nestled in miles of open space and rolling hills, surrounded by mesmerizing views of ski slopes, trails, and natural beauty, a place steeped in tradition while embracing the future. It's a place where growth and culture have prospered together. It's a place with one-of-a-kind mountain experiences. It's a place to create family traditions and memories. It's a place called Sun Valley.